What's up, guys? Welcome back. Don't really have any plans for this video. Just gonna be washing my bike off. So, temperature is gonna be like 70 for the next week or so. Not for the next week, in the next week. I think like Thursday and Friday, it's gonna be like 70. So I'm gonna clean this bag roll up and get ready to go on a ride with it. Not really going too crazy. For the places that aren't painted, like the wheels, some of these black pieces, the brake calipers, the engine, I'm gonna use some of this all-purpose cleaner. Just gonna go over it really quick. Hopefully this works. There we go. All right, I'm not actually washing it. I'm just kind of like giving it a wipe down. So don't be all in the comments all upset because I'm not actually washing the bike. I'm just wiping it down instead. Just trying to make it look better so it doesn't look like it's been sitting in the garage for the past 3 or 4 months. Also, this is gonna get a bunch of nasty stuff on it, so I'm throwing this away after. It's not gonna go on any painted surfaces, so you guys don't have to cry about that either. Got the front wheel done. Now I'm gonna go through all this black stuff in the middle here and kind of do the same thing. Just kind of go around it. My handlebars are lubed, so I don't want to get any of this stuff inside of the areas where the grease is, so it doesn't mess anything up in there. Just trying to get like all the exposed areas kind of. The only reason this bike looks like half as bad as it does right now is because I got stuck riding in the rain last time I rode it. So there's like a lot of water that came up off the road. It has a bunch of dirt and nasty stuff in it. And it just kind of left like raindrop spots all over it. So it looked disgusting. So I'm just trying to like clean it off just so it's a little bit more presentable and stuff like that. I'm not really trying to like go through a whole deep clean with it or anything. But just trying to make it look like decent, I guess. And I don't want to spend all freaking day cleaning it, so that's kind of part of it too. Just trying to get in there a little bit and clean it up a little. Alright, so I just threw that rag away because of how much nasty stuff was on it. The next thing I'm going to do is take this, it's like a 3-in-1 ceramic wax, and I'm just going to go over it with that really quick. Alright, so this stuff's a spray wax. So treat it like a normal wax, but just spray it on. So whenever you put it on a towel, you're just gonna wanna spray it super lightly, and then you're gonna wipe it with that side of the towel. You don't want the towel to be super wet, or just grab a new one that's dry. So you're gonna spray it on this side, wipe it off, take the towel, flip it over, and then buff off the wax, and then it'll get it looking really good. So you're not leaving any like streaks or anything like that. So just kind of like treat it as like a normal wax and you'll be alright. All right, I was kind of being lazy and I want to pull it back away from the wall, but I can't freaking reach the other side very well, so I'm just gonna pull it out. Boom, easy. All right, I'm gonna start it up since I haven't gotten to listen to this freaking thing in a while. Crazy loud. I miss riding this thing. Alright, well, I'm gonna put this freaking scooter back where the motorcycle was, so that when the time comes, it's easier to get my motorcycle out. Overall, I mean, that's pretty much it for the cleaning. As far as like the windshield and stuff goes, there's like a plastic Rain-X that I use, and I'll spray the windshield with the plastic Rain-X. It's like a Rain-X, but it's formulated for plastic. I also sprayed on my visor on my helmet, so that when it rains, all the water just repels off really easy. And it's not a big hassle or anything to deal with. Also, another good thing, use battery chargers for all your stuff. In the summer when I'm riding this thing, pretty often I don't use a battery charger, but in the winter it picks up 24/7. So just do it, it'll save you some batteries, and it makes it way easier in the springtime when you're ready to get on and go. Alright guys, well, I mean, that's going to be it. Just a super quick video. Overall, the bike looks way better now. So, just kind of what I do whenever it gets a little dusty. So, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.